Now we are going to discuss about the problem which are related to volumes. So the volume of earthwork has been calculated by using two formulas. One is trapezoidal rule, another one is prismoidal rule. Okay. Now we should move on to the problem. The given data is a road at the formation level is 6 meter wide. So the B value is given 6 meter and has a side slope of 2:1, so that n equal to 2. The road is to have a constant RL of 200 meter. The ground is level across the central line of the road. The following observations were made. So the chainage they have given that 0, 20, 40, 60, 80 and 100 meter, and the surface of level along the central line of road, that is the RL along the central line of the road, there has been taken that at 0 meter this is 204.6, at 20 meter 203 meter, and at 40 meter which is 200.8 meter, at 60 meter that is 201.6 meter, and 80 meter 202 meter, and 100 meter it is 200.2 meters. Estimate the volume of earthwork. They have given these details as given data. So now we move on to the problem. First I will try to draw a figure. Okay, now so here they have given that a road of formation level. Okay, so here breadth of the road B equal to 6 meter. And the side slope of 2:1. So n equal to 2. Okay. Along with that they have given that the road is to have a constant RL of 200 meter. Okay. So that RL of road is 200 meter. But the existing road level along the central line, okay, they have given from 0 meter. So if I am going to take this is 0 meter chainage, then along the chainage, so it may have some undulated profile like this. Okay, so this is my formation level. So the road RL is 200 meter. But the existing level of the ground has been increased. At 0 meter signage is 204. .6 meter, and the 20 meter chainage it is 203. At 40 meter chainage it is 200.8. At 60 meter it is 201.6, and at 80 meter 202, and at 100 meter it is 200.2 meter. Okay, so now I need the height. Okay, height of my surface. Okay, now so it may have undulated profile, so I have to calculate that difference in height. with respect to formation level to existing ground level, so that the H1 at 0 meter is 204.6 minus 200 meter, so that I am getting of 4.6 meter. Okay, so likewise I have to calculate all the heights. So H2 3 meter, H3 0.8 meter, then H4 1.6 meter, then H5 202 meters, 2 meters, then H6 0.2 meters. Now we have to calculate the cross-sectional area by using the formula of area is equal to B plus NH into H. So the height has been changed at each and every distance of, okay, and here it is the even number has came. Okay, so now we should use, if we go with the trapezoidal rule, then it is easy. If we are going with prismoidal rule, then we have to calculate 2 times. Okay, so now we should move on to calculation of area, cross-sectional area first. So A1, by using H1 we are going to calculate the A1. So B value is 6 meter plus N value is 2 meter into H into H. So H1 is 4.6, so that the area 1 is 69.92 meters, 69.92 meter square. Then A2 3 meter, so that 36 meter square. Then A3 0.8, so that 6.08. A4 if I am going to use H4 as 1.6, then I am getting the answer of 14.72 meter square. Then A5, so H5 value is 2 meter, so that 20 meter square is the answer. Then last A6, so 0.2 meters, so that we are getting the answer of 1.28 meter square. So now calculation of volumes. Calculation of volume of earthwork. So there are two formulas. Okay, first one is trapezoidal rule. So our volume V equal to D into first area plus last area. So A1 plus AN plus remaining areas. A2 plus A3 plus etc. plus AN minus 1. Okay, here divided by 2. So here D is the common interval, which is 20 meter. Okay, so D is 20 and the A1 69.92 plus AN 1.28 divided by 2 plus remaining values. So 36 plus 6.08 plus 14.72 plus 20. So that we are getting the answer of 2248 m cube. So here the existing level of the ground is like that and the formation level is like this. Okay, now so we have to do the earthwork cutting. Okay, so 2248 m cube of earth cutting we have to do to make a formation level. So the next problem is the given data. Calculate the volume of earthwork by Prismoidal formula in a road embankment with the following data in meters. Chainage along the center line 0 meter, 100 meter, 200, 300 and 400 meters. Okay, ground level 201.70, 202.90, 202.40, 204.70, then 206.90. The formation level at chainage 0 is 202.3 meters. Then top width is 2 meter. Side slope are 2 to 1. The longitudinal gradient of the embankment is 1 in 100 rising. The ground is assumed to be level across the longitudinal section. So these are the given data. So the given data is like this. So first we should write in the tabular form. Okay, that is the chainage in meter, then ground level in meter. Okay, So chain edge is 0 meter, 100, 200, 300 and 400. So the RL becomes ground level RL 201.7. So 201.7 202.9 202.9, then 202.4, then 204.7, then last one is 206.9, 206.9. So this is ground level. Next they have given that formation level at chain edge. So we have to give the formation level. So formation level is at 0 meter chain edge is 202.3 meter, 202.3 meters. Okay, now they have given the top width, that is B equal to 2 meter. Okay, then side slope N equal to 221. So they have given another word. The longitudinal gradient of embankment is 1 in 100 rising. So every 100 meter it get raised. The 1 meter is getting raised. So from the formation level, if you are going to take 200.23, for every 100 meter the height of 1 meter gets increased. So here it is 203.3. Here it is 204.3. Next, for 300 meter it is 205.3. And last one, for 400 meter it is 206.3. Now the level difference or height. So the difference of formation level to ground level, we have to take it as a height for filling quantity. So 202.3 minus 201.9 is 0.4 meter. So the difference in height is 0.4 meter. Next, 203.3 minus 202.9 is 0.4 meter. Next, 204.3 minus 202.4, 1.9 meter. Next, 205.3 minus 204.7 gives the answer of height of 0.6 meter. Then last, 206.3 minus 206.9, so minus 0.6 meter. So the net quantity we have to get it. So the minus indicate here we have to do cutting and here we have to do filling quantities. Okay. So first we should calculate the area. So area equal to B plus NH into H. So area equal to B plus NH into H. So at every height we have to take the area, we have to calculate the area. So for A1, that is corresponding to height 1, that is 0.4 meter. So B plus NH, B equal to 2 meter here. So B plus N side slope equal to 2, N into H into H is the formula. So our height at first point 0.4 meter. So the area becomes 1.12 meter squared. 1.12 meter square. So second A2 corresponding to the height H2. So that is also 0.4. So that answer is also becomes 1.12. So 1.12 meter square. Next A3. So 1.9 meter is the height at corresponding to H3. So 11.02 meter square. Next A4. That is 0.6 meters. 1.92 meter. Then next A5. So here the H5 is minus 0.6. If I am going to substitute it, I am getting the answer of minus 1.92. Here one thing we have to remember, that is our land profile will be like this. So the rising gradient of 1 in 100, that is for 100 meter horizontal distance, the 1 meter of vertical distance gets increased. Okay, that is its meaning. So here the chainage at 0 meter and the formation level is at 0 meter is 202.3 meters. Okay, so the land maybe gets increased like this. Okay, so this is my original profile level, that is ground level 201.70. 201.70 is my original level, is at 0 meter chainage, but the formation level is at 0 meter chainage is 202.3 meters. So the rising gradient is 1 in 100. Okay, now for the formation level. Okay, so it gets increased like this, but our ground has much undulated and at one stage it gets crossed, so that here we have to do the cutting quantity and here we have to do the filling quantity. So this stage, that is at 300 meter, at 300 meter chainage we are getting 0.6 meter as the height which we need to fill it, but at 400 meter we are getting the height of minus 0.6, which means we have to do the cutting quantity here, so that whatever the quantity we are going to cut it here, okay, now cut the earth, so that earth has to be filled here so that the quantity gets balanced, okay, now so whatever we are going to cut it, that we are going to filled here itself, okay. So that's why the quantity whatever we are going to cut it, that has to be balanced here. So now I am going to calculate the volume of work. So net volume of work I am going to calculate it here, okay. So the formula becomes trapezoidal formula I am going to, so they have called prismatic rule, I think. So here we are having odd numbers, so we can use it. So our prismatic formula becomes volume by prismatic formula. So volume is equal to D by 3 into A1 plus AN, that is A1 plus last ordinate, that is A5, plus 4 into even ordinates. Here A2 and A4 is the even ordinate, so 4 into A2 plus A4 plus 2 into remaining ordinates, remaining odd ordinates, that is only A3 is available here. So if I am going to substitute the values of areas corresponding to the quantities, then we can get the volume, okay. So the A1 value is, so the D by 3, our distance D equal to 100 meter, okay, the common distance, D by 3 into A1, that is 1.12, and A5 minus 1.92, since I am going to take net volume, okay. Plus 4 into A2 plus A4, A2 value is 1.12 plus A4 value is 1.92, then plus 2 into A3 value, that is 11.02, so that we are getting the value of 1113.3, 1113.33 m cube is the net quantity we have to do this work, earth work, okay.